Hello there, Eric Steele. This is my Internet of Things project related to Alexa. You see that? She's just lit up in an effort to listen to what I have to say. Now, because that wasn't a valid command, Alexa turned itself off. Now it's turned itself back on again. So from henceforth, we will refer to it as the Echo. See, the Echo is programmed to respond to its call word, which you have just seen, and from there process the statements that it can hear and turn them into usable commands. Because it is able to use Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections, it is able to connect to other Bluetooth devices within the home and a wide range of IoT devices. So the range of control that this device can give you over your home is very, very big, to say the least. Now, in particular, what the Echo comes with is, hardware-wise, a microphone to listen to you, and a fairly powerful speaker for its size. This is the Echo Dot here. Now, because it is a speaker, my first thought when using something like this is to use it for music. So, Alexa, play Fly Me to the Moon.
Fly Me to the Moon by Frank Sinatra.
Now, the thing about using Alexa for music is that it only uses the services that Amazon allows it to use for music. It uses Amazon Music Unlimited, for which I currently have a free trial, or it uses Pandora Radio if you specify it. The problem is that one is a paid service, whereas the other is a radio service, meaning that you have very little control over the specific songs playing. That is what my project relates to here. Instead, I want Alexa to be able to pull any song from anywhere. Thus, we go to my custom developer platform, and here we have the skill specification for my application, which I've decided to offhandedly call TuneTube. There's no profit to be made off of it though. Now, how TuneTube works is it makes a request to a Heroku server designed to take YouTube videos and turn them into MP3 format audio. And then from there, when we get that file, we request that it be sent to the Alexa device and then streamed out. Alexa, stop playing. Alexa, stop music. Now, from this screen, we have the specifications for what the skill is meant to do. It has the ability to cancel, get help, which are defaults, loop on, loop off, pause, repeat, resume, and stop. These are all skills that come with the video blueprint for Alexa. Cancel. The Alexa turned on again. Because we have the audio player interface on, these skills become prerequisite skills. We also have the video query skill, which is also a part of getting the video, transferring it into an audio format, which can then be used with these skills here. These skills each correspond to bits of this code here, which is hosted on AWS Lambda. So if we scroll down a while, all of this is meant to process the video itself, And then when we get to near the bottom of the code, we see specifications such as var stop intent is equal to function rec res, which links this code within here to the intents seen in this window here. This way, the Echo can store fairly complex code and processes while taking up very little memory in itself, because the code is hosted instead on a remote cloud server, which then makes a request to a separate HTTP location. There's very little load for this code as far as this device goes, which offers us the functionality of TuneTube. So now we can say, Alexa, search for Fly Me to the Moon Bayonetta mix using Audio Rip.
I don't see the playlist Bayonetta mix.
I think it misheard me. I'll try one more time. Alexa, search for Fly Me to the Moon Bayonetta OST using Audio Rip. No, that blue light on means that it's making the request right now and searching for the video. Then the video will be turned into audio and the audio will be streamed back here. Because of this, I've set a timer of 3 minutes before it decides to give up. Once that light is on, that means it's still working. So, in the meantime, before it starts playing, I can show you that the skill side is basically JSON code, which allows us to access these various variables, well, name value pairs basically, and then from there the code here can access it. Moreover, for usability's sake, we have what's called the invocation name, which has to be called in making a request to the Echo in order for it to do anything. So here, the skill will only be accessed if we say audio rip at any point during our statement. Otherwise, it'll go to the generic music and or Google searching functions instead. Once this is in the statement, like you saw I used it at the end of the request in my case, once I almost slipped up. Once the
I'm now playing Bayonetta OST Fly Me to the Moon Climax Mix with lyrics.
See? This particular track isn't accessible on Amazon Unlimited, but now we can use it because it is available on YouTube. The invocation name here must be called. Moreover, in order to get the specific play functions, we need to be able to get to the utterances. I was a little lax in putting utterances for most of these specific requests, but yeah. For video query, we just had the simple rip-off, basically. Once it has that call, it'll call on video query, which then gets us this video. For it to be able to do that though, the video query slot, as it's called, takes whatever you say that's extraneous to it. So in my case, I said Fly Me to the Moon, Bayonetta OST, and that became the search term for the Heroku server, which got the song. Like this, I believe that even though it's not flawless code, something this simple becomes very useful in day-to-day life and even party hosting. If you don't want to pay for Amazon Unlimited and the like, this provides a somewhat awkward but simple solution that allows you an even wider variety of music clips to play. with that, thank you for coming along with me on this. And if you'd like, I can confirm using the Amazon Alexa cards. Alexa, resume play. So, the Alexa uses... I keep doing that. The Alexa uses... cards to send the data of what you've done to the phone. So here, this was our first search for Fly Me to the Moon by Frank Sinatra, which was my favorite version of this song. Because it's from Amazon Unlimited, it shows full album information and the like. Whereas here, because we're using my custom skill, it instead makes the request off of YouTube and shows where it got the link from. This is a YouTube link right here, and it shows the request that I made. Because of the way skills work, you can see the full list of custom skills available to you from the Amazon A-Word app. Here are dev skills, so these are the ones that I've written. Many testing skills here, and this is the application that we just used. Here's the invocation name. I haven't exactly added much information otherwise, because this is not going up on the store. This is for the sake of personal use and the class at large. Thank you, and yeah. Alexa, stop music. Alexa, good job.